stage 2 Hamilton head. Looking good. We're gonna probably pop these freeze plugs out, tap them. High quality casting. Everything seems to be assembled very nicely. Not seeing any issues with it. Nice Texas emblem in it. Of course, the Hamilton cams. It is a fire end head. A little bit of casting flush to probably clean some of these ports and holes up. Take a grinder to them and clean them up a little bit, but not too bad. Pretty excited. See what else we got. I'll get you a look in these exhaust ports. Again, very nice quality casting. I do see a slight defect right there. I don't know if you can see that. I don't think it'll affect anything. I'll have to throw an exhaust gasket on it and see if it's gonna mess up any of the gas flow, but I'm hoping not. Should be alright. Cooling seems pretty good. Casting's decent. There is still some grit in it. Ejector holes seem to be good. And runners seem pretty nice. Nice smooth casting in there for the most part. I probably will go around and deeper a lot of these edges. They're very sharp. Just from machine processing, there is some casting flash coming off of them. Not a big deal. Everything out there will pretty much have some cleanup work to do. It just depends on how much time you want to spend on it. Go ahead, hit this up, clean it up, and get it ready to slap on the engine over there once it gets back from the machine shop. But for now, I'm just getting everything together. See what I gotta clean up before I send it away. Save myself some money, inventory everything, and then I'll send it off to the machine shop to get machined, and maybe some of the final assembly over there. Let's see how much time I got. All right, I'm gonna show you the craziness that I've got started here. Nothing like drilling and tapping $2,000 brand new head. Tapping juice. Can square in there to try and get it going just as straight as I possibly can. And watch it as a dream. Check for riches in there. Dead on. Alright, that should be good to run it home. Tap these as far as I can. Well, now that that's done, this plug, I'm going to use some compound on here. Hold up, that plug should just go all the way down, and that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and tap these other two, and I'll bring it back. Okay. Now that I got all those tapped, I ran a magnet inside, pulled out all the metal that I could, ran some fluid through it, and rinsed everything out. So now we're just going to run these down. Alright, hopefully you can tell what I went through and did here. I took a grinder and put a nice little chamfer on all those sharp edges all the way around the entire head. Got that nice pusher plate on there. You can see that nice bevel I put on there. And I also put this bevel right there, a little bit thicker than the rest. But man, it looks good. Matches right up to busher plate. And it's gonna look sweet once everything's painted. I'm gonna paint the head just a gloss black, so should look pretty sweet. I didn't do these freeze plugs on the outside of the block. If I do have an issue with them, they're easy to access, and I can do that.